Let's make bell cookie cutter ornaments. First, I'll roll out some clay. Then I'll take my bell cookie cutter and cut some ornaments. Notice that I try to get my bell as close to the previous bell because I don't want to waste clay. Now that I have my bells cut, I will put holes so we can hang them from the Christmas tree. I'll go back and smooth out the edges of the bell. Then I'll place my bells on a cookie sheet to bake in the oven. I will bake these at 400, 5 minutes per side. I'll take all the scraps of clay and I'll roll them out to make more bell ornaments. Once my bells have baked at 5 minutes per side, I will paint them white. I'm going to go back over them with a mother of pearl shine. They're painted. Now the mother of pearl shine. Next, I will string the bell ornaments so they can hang from the Christmas tree. And now we'll place our bell ornament on the tree. Merry Christmas!